Hola clase! Today we are learning to simplify fractions. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it, and then we'll make an example together. The simplest form of a fraction is the one where the numerator and the denominator don't have common factors. Apart from 1, remember, every number is divisible by 1. Before starting, I need to know how to do a prime factorization and how to use it to obtain the highest common factor, or abbreviated HCF. Now for the how-to guide step by step, the first step is to obtain the highest common factor between the numerator and the denominator of your fraction, and then divide both of them by that result. Let's see that in an example. Here they ask me to write 525 over 2695 in its simplest form. These numbers are a bit too big to start guess and checking and hoping to get it right. That's why having a system is useful, because it will work every time. So the first step is to do the prime factorizations. I do the numerator first. And there is a video somewhere on how to actually do the prime factorizations, so you can follow along. 525 is divisible by 3, that gives me 175, which is divisible by 5, that gives me 35, which is divisible by 5 again, that gives me 7, divisible by 7, and once I get to 1, I'm finished. I repeat the same process with the denominator, 2695. If you check, it's divisible by 5. You do that, it gives you 539. That is divisible by 7. It gives you 77, which is divisible by 7 again. The result is 11. That gives me 11, and the result is 1. I'm finished. So then I can collect all the factors. 525 equals 3 times 5 squared times 7, and 2695 equals 5 times 7 squared times 11. And now I need to use these factors to find the highest common factor. Remember, the rule is to use the common factors to the lowest of the common exponents. So I've got a 5 squared and a 5, so the 5 is common and the lowest exponent is 1, and I've got a 7 to the power of 1, and a 7 squared, so the lowest common power there is 7. That means that the highest common factor between numerator and denominator is 35, and I can divide both 525 by 35, which if you do it gives you 15, and 2695 over 35, and if you do it, that gives you 77. So let's give a tidy answer at the end. 525 over 2695 equals, in the simplest form, 15 over 77. I always make the answer easy to find by boxing it or highlighting, and once that's done, we are done. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.